Hello students, in this video we are going to understand how to solve these problems. So first of all, find Q and R for the following pairs of positive integers A and B satisfying A is equal to BQ plus R. There are 4 sums given. We already know the division algorithm. We will solve these problems based on the division algorithm. So let's get started with the first problem. Okay. Let's take an example of the first one. If I consider the first one, the first problem, you will have A as 13 and your B as 3. So we know the division algorithm already. A is equal to BQ plus R. We have to write in this format. To do that, what I am doing is take 13, which is your A, and 3, which is your B. So divide this. How many times it divides 13? 4 times. 3 4s are 12 and 1 will be the remainder. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. So how you will be writing your 13 value can be written in this format. So 13 is equal to B into Q. So B is what? Here 3. 3 into 4 plus 1. So you can write this problem in this manner, and where if they ask you what is your Q value, my Q value is 4 and R value is 1. Q is standing here, quotient which is represented here, and R is your remainder, that is the value which is left over. Okay, so this is the way you will be able to solve your first problem. Okay, this is done. So now we will move on to the second problem. So let's say how to do the second problem. So to do the second problem, what is your A value? Your A value is equal to 80 and B value is equal to 8. So how do you do it? Your divisor is 8, dividend is 80, and 8 how many times in 80? 8 tens are 80 and 0. So if you look at, this is what your A value, this is your B value, this is your Q value, this is your R. So here this is your remainder and this is your quotient and this is your divisor and this is your dividend. So now if you see, Q value is 10 for this problem and R value is 0. So the same thing, how you will be writing? Your 80 is equal to B into Q. So what is my B value? 8 into 10 plus 0. So where final answer, your Q is equal to 10 and R is equal to 0. So this is how you will be able to solve the problem. The next one, which is third one, here you have the third problem says 125 and 5. A is equal to 125 and B is equal to 5. How do you do it? So now 125 is equal to 5 into how many times? So to know that, if you are not very sure, do like this. 5 divide how many times here? 5 2 times 10 and 2 and then 5. So 5 5s are 25 and remainder is 0. So this is the remainder and this is your quotient. This is your B value, this is your A value. So 5 into 25 plus remainder is 0. This way you can write it in A is equal to BQ plus R format. So what is your Q is equal to 25 and R is equal to 0. So this way you will be able to generate the values of Q and R using your division algorithm. The last problem here, that is the fourth one, where A is equal to 132 and B is equal to 11. So here how you will be writing? 132 is equal to 11 into what? How do you know that? 132 with 11. This is your B value, this is your A value. 11 one time 11 and 2 2. So 11 2 times 22. Answer will be 0. This is your R value, this is your Q value. the formula we already know, A is equal to B cube plus R. 11 into 12 plus 0. Automatically, this is in the form of A is equal to B cube plus R format. Then your Q value will be 12 and R value will be 0. So this is the way you will be able to solve this Q and R values using your division algorithm. Okay, thanks for watching.